You are now seeing the objects exactly as they were photographed. Comprehensive analysis has eliminated meteors. Their form is circular and sometimes elliptical. This fits the commonly used flying saucer description.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is your boy Say One History on the Awaken Show here. It is November 18, 2018 here. It's 6:42 West Coast time, and I've been up since about 4 o'clock this morning here. Just couldn't go to sleep. Really excited about this footage and, you know, all the footage out there that you guys are sending me, and I really do appreciate it. So thank you very much for that. Now, it appears that this video that we're about to watch is actually coming from Khabarovsk, Russia. I know I'm butchering that name, so if anybody knows how to say that correctly, please let me know here. But it's about a 30-second clip. It looks like some patrons are out, maybe on a weekend, having a good time here. Come outside, lo and behold, they see this white light flashing in the sky, moving from left to right, right to left. And then all of a sudden, flashing a light or a beam of some sort, hitting a neon sign and actually rendering it out of commission. Now, in all seriousness here, I highly doubt that an advanced civilization that's traveled thousands, maybe even billion miles away to Earth is coming to shoot out a neon sign here so onlookers and patrons can see here. No, I doubt that highly. I think what's going on here is someone may actually have a drone, maybe had modified some kind of flying technology and has like a laser beam or something attached to it here, and just having a bit of fun with the people that are walking by or, you know, passerbys here. And as I started to review this video a little bit more, I started to notice that the building in which the neon sign is on looks like it's one of those buildings that at the top may actually have a door, so it can be easily accessible to maybe somebody going up there with some type of flying object here, and then, you know, emitting a light down onto the neon light. Now, what I did think was strange about this particular video is that the UFO in question is actually moving sporadically through the actual clip the whole time here, and it looks like it's almost teleporting back and forth. But again, that can actually be some type of effect, and it could just be our eyes playing tricks on us here. I'm sorry, you guys, I just don't believe that this is a highly advanced civilization coming from another planet to shoot out a neon light here. I may be gullible, but I'm not that gullible. But who knows? I mean, I may be wrong on this one here. I've been wrong before, I could be wrong on this one. But with that being said, definitely leave me a comment here at the bottom. Let me know what you think about this particular footage. Do you think it's real? Do you think it's fake? Do you think someone is playing a hoax on these patrons down below? And with that being said, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you get all the updates here for all the cool new videos that's coming out literally on a daily basis. With that being said, I'm going to let you guys go. I really appreciate you guys sticking with me again, watching these videos on YouTube. You could actually be watching the videos anywhere else, but you're choosing to watch them with us here on the Awaken Show. And I just wanted to take the opportunity to thank you. I have some night vision footage coming out very shortly. I'm going to make a video for that and just kind of give you guys all my findings here. But again, with that being said, thank you, and you guys have an awesome day. Take care.
You are now seeing the objects exactly as they were photographed. Comprehensive analysis has eliminated meteors. Their form is circular and sometimes elliptical. This fits the commonly used flying saucer.